hello everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, How to Speak in English Language. And this is me, Rupa. Guys, if you want to learn English so quickly and show in a rapid way, so this trick will definitely gonna help you to become fluent so quickly. Because as a beginner and as a learner, what kind of problem we are facing? Like this this journey is so long, right? And like as of like as a starting, when do we start something? We do any work with so curiosity, so enthusiasm, but as day passes, the curiosity for that thing start decreasing, and due to this reason we start making excuses. We start pretending that today I cannot do practice, today I cannot do listening practice because my health is not good, today I can't speak in English to the like speakers because I have a lot of work to do. But this is only excuses, this is only you can say not doing practicing. This is only the way of not practicing your English. Even I have faced this problem. I want to tell you, like when I started the journey, so I was so curious, and I used to speak almost like you can say 80 hour in English, like even with my parent, while eating, while sleeping. But as day started passing, the curiosity for the English started decreasing, so I could not focus on my English. And after some time I felt that I am lost in my fluency. So how did I overcome out? And what are the trick and tips that you can follow to learn English so quickly? And in this video I am going to tell you some wonderful tricks and tips through which you can learn English quickly. But these are satirical way. It is a like satirical means, you can say these are like comedian way to learn English that I followed, and this helped me a lot. Why? And this helped me to learn this English easily, because this was not this thing did not let me feel that I'm learning English. This was a kind of a funny thing that I often used to do to learn English. And in this video I am also going to tell you those all tricks and tips that I used to follow when I used to feel boring and dull, and when I used to not feel to do practice in English. So, before any further ado, let's get dive in the video. Guys, first thing, like first of all, let's talk about listening. So, in listening, what should we listen? So many people will gonna suggest you to listen podcast and conversation video, but you have not interest in it. So what will you do? In last, you will switch doing listening practice. But you have to not do this. Let me tell you, I had not curiosity in watching movies when I was beginner in English, because I could not understand, because they were speaking so fast, and that was out of my understanding. So I found that I have too much curiosity in watching cartoon. Why not I should start watching cartoon in English? The cartoon that I am watching in Hindi, why not I should watch those cartoon in English? And then I started watching those cartoons in English. And what I used to do, I used to talk with myself. I used to become the character of that cartoon, and I used to play. Means I used to play with my sister that I'm Robo Boy, and see, I am here for helping the people. You can't do any evil work. I'm here to protect the society and community, and I'm here to spread the positivity. So this is how we used to do practice. We used to watch cartoon and we used to do drama and all. So I want to tell you, that if you have interest in watching movies, comedy videos, if you, it's okay, you don't like to watch cartoons, you don't like to watch conversation video, podcast video, you like to watch, movies, so start watching that movies in English. Yes, like, it, you will not feel boring as well, your entertainment will be also going, and like, meanwhile you will be also learning English. Like, is this not a good idea for you? Let me know. And see, that if you are beginner and if you are saying that, I don't like to watch cartoons and all, I'm going to watch like, movies, don't do it. Why? Let me tell you. First of all, you are beginner, and in movies people will gonna speak, so fast, and that will out of your control. So sorry, that will out of your understanding. So you will be just watching this like a sculpture, but you will be not understanding anything, will be not going in your mind. So how will you become fluent in English? If you understand anything, then you can do it. Yes, this is the proof. So like, so therefore you have to watch those things which you can understand. If you are not understanding, switch that, watch another thing, okay, at a place of that. Now, this was all about listening. Now, what about speaking? What should I speak? How should I do conversation? Let me tell you. So many people like to do a conversation on topics. Like, you can choose even your favorite topics. There are a lot of topics, right? If you like suppose that you are a housewife, okay, and you like to talk about recipes of food. Now go and connect with the women and just like, talk in English, that how can we cook this, how can we cook this, what is the recipe of this, isn't so? Is this not a good idea for you? Now let me tell you, suppose that you like to play cricket, so now just talk to peer person about cricket in English. And like, I don't think so that people have only one desire and one favorite thing. They have a lot of things, so many, like so many people like online shopping, offline shopping, talking, and also there are so many topics for you on which you can talk, and you can learn English in a funny way and without knowing that am I learning English or what I'm doing. Because you know what I used to do, actually I used to, even I now do, but nowadays I have not that much time because I have to focus on my study too. So due to this reason I'm unable to do it. What we used to do, like we used to collect the things, like, just like not a things, but yeah, like this, as you can see, this is a cup. So like we used to collect so many, like instrument as well, and also toys, and we used to play with each other. So we, you can also do like this if you are small just like me, so you can use this method as well. Like suppose that you have a lot of toy, so like if you have no one at your home, it's okay, like you can play the character of both. You can become shopkeeper as well, customer as well, like this. Ma'am, there are so many, sarees, which one would you like most? So sir, I'm looking a sari in red color, have you available? Yes ma'am, we have. I have brought, brand new red saris from Banaras yesterday. There, here you are, have a look. So this is how you can do your speaking practice. Is this not a good idea? Now, last one that I want to tell you, that nothing is impossible, guys. Let me tell you, everything is a everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. So if you just want to become fluent in English, keep this thought in your mind that no matter what will gonna happen, I will definitely gonna become fluent in English. I will give my 101%. So, if this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. I will be keep uploading such type of knowledgeable and wonderful videos so that you can take the help from it. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my video. And if my videos are helping you and if you are getting some notion from it to learn English, don't forget to comment on it that I'm getting help from your videos. Thank you so much.